Okay, choosing your health care is such an important decision. It may be the most important financial decision you make this fall. We're going to have some final thoughts from our guests here, Andrew Rubin, Elizabeth Cohen. Andrew, I want to start with you. What do you think that people really need to remember now when they're thinking about open enrollment, participating in these plans? What do they need to know?
Two things. Number one, you must read your benefit plan options. Most people just sign up for what they had last year, and they have no idea what they're signing up for. Now more than ever, it is so important to read the material. It's not that hard to understand if you actually sit down and spend the time. It's the best time you'll spend. And then lastly, Jerry, most plans have one free preventative medicine checkup a year with no coinsurance, no co-pays. Take advantage of it. It's money well spent.
All right, Elizabeth?
Okay, my one thing to think about is a corollary to what Andrew just said.
Right.
When you read through those benefits, take pen to paper. Think about what your needs are going to be next year. You can't predict it entirely, but you can a bit. How many times do you go see the doctor? Do you have regular MRIs or other kind of tests that you need? Think about how much those are going to cost, and then compare what it's going to cost you from plan to plan. That's what I'm sitting down and doing this weekend.
All right, so it's all about the numbers. You're going to check the math, and I want to add just one thing in here. I've got one point you don't want to miss. Make sure you participate. Some of the employers out there, if you don't participate in open enrollment, you're not going to have coverage. They want you to participate in the plan. Go to the meetings at the office. Make sure you understand what your options are. We hope we helped you today. Thanks for spending part of this Saturday with us. We'll be back next week, same time, 9:30 a.m. Eastern, right here on CNN.